No. That shit ugly. Kill him, lizard. I'm on team lizard. This time. He's just looking at us. Look at him. Eat the thing. What you gonna do? You done killed it. I chased it down. That was crazy. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Got a little like them. They don't got teeth, so they
Yeah,
gotta
well,
swallow
look.
the whole, so they gotta keep fucking with it till it die.
Look, it's dragging slow, though. It's not moving as quick as it was.
Nigga dead, you don't swallow it. Yeah, I ate good.
Mm-hmm. That's nasty, though. It's gonna be able to eat it with all them legs.
It's gonna swallow the whole. They don't have teeth.
So, do they have acid inside to help break it down?
Yeah.
Ew.
What you
Mm-hmm.
That ass is mine. Nope.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Biting him good. Ugh. There come another lizard trying to come help. Look. And he ran with it. Don't he got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Took the whole thing and ran because the other lizard tried to come get in. Ew. What did it go? Look, he looking.
He ran out on a tree. Yeah, hold on. That bit.
Guess that's the end. We won't get to see him swallow. Yes, we will. He right there.
Say hell no, yeah.
He on the tree. Look, I got it good on the camera.
I told you to swallow that.
Ew. Oh, look. Oh, zoom.
You trying to hurry up and eat it all the way.
I can't believe we catching this so good.
Right there. That bit wiggling while he's swallowing this side.
Ew. Oh, I see.
Yeah, he on one on the other side because the other list is trying to get some.
Well, that's a wrap.